So there it is, guys. I finally got my CVOR certificate that I've been waiting for 2 months. Without this certificate, I couldn't get much further in this process. I couldn't even get an insurance quote. Having said that, that leads me to today's topic of what I wanted to talk about, and that is what is required to obtain insurance, to obtain a commercial insurance. And it's not as easy as it sounds. It's a fairly complicated process, and it could be a frustrating one. There's 4 documents that they're gonna want to see, that the insurance companies are gonna want to see in order for them to give you a quote. The first thing, obviously, is your CVOR certificate. Without it, you can't do anything. The second thing that they want is a letter from your former employer. This letter must state how long you've been driving for them and if you've had any accidents while you've been employed with them. Number 3 is a letter from your former employer's insurance company. Now this letter must state how long you've been covered under their policy and if you have had any claims under that policy as well. And the 4th thing is your driver's abstract. Now this is your trucker's driver's abstract that they asked me for, not my regular driver's abstract. So this is the trucker's driver's abstract that has to show at least 2 years of driving history. Like I said, it's a fairly complicated process because yes, you do have to go back to your former employer and ask for these letters, which is kind of awkward. And to me, I mean, like it was part of the process, so you have to do it. There's no way around it. At first, they were giving me a little bit of a hard time, but at the end of the day, this letter of history belongs to you. So you just have to keep nagging them. If they're gonna refuse to give you this letter at first, you just gotta tell them that it is your right to get this letter. So for me, it took quite a bit of asking. I think I must have asked 4 times via phone conversations and emails in order for them to comply. Okay, so those are the things that you need in order to get an insurance quote. Now I just want to share with you how much my quote came up to, and I was expecting around $12,000, $14,000 a year, but surprisingly enough, it came to $8,000 a year. And I think I know the reason why. There's a couple reasons actually. And the very first reason that I feel that it came lower than expected was because I have a clean driving record. I have 0 blemishes in my record. The second thing why I think this quote came lower than expected was because it is a smaller truck. It is a medium duty truck, 310 horsepower truck, single axle, not a heavy duty tandem. So those are the 2 reasons why I think it came lower than expected. But going back to my driving history, I like to take care of my driving record. For me, that is the most important thing, is to take care of my record. I don't have any speeding tickets, I don't have any collisions or any claims of any kind. Okay, so my recommendation to all of you drivers, truck drivers and automobile drivers alike, is to take care of your driving record. Don't speed, don't drive aggressively. It's just a matter of time before you're gonna get caught, and insurance companies are gonna find out of your record and jack up your premiums. Okay guys, so thank you guys for watching once again, and subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.